Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest tip and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Senzo Meyiwa was killed in an armed robbery at the home of his then girlfriend, singer Kelly Kumalo, in Fort Lourdes on 26th of October back in 2014, and his trial is still ongoing. And five suspects have been arrested and are going through trial at the moment. During the trial on Tuesday, 26th of April, a shocking revelation was made by the suspect's lawyer, Advocate Tefo, who broke the news that one of the suspects' head that was found on the crime scene had a DNA of a woman and not that of a man. This is according to the publication The Daily Maverick. Tefo stunned the court when he cross-examined Musia and asked if he was aware that the DNA found on a head was that of a woman and not of a man. Musia responded by saying that he wasn't aware. The state believed that accused number 3, Ngube, left the head at the crime scene. Tefo told the court that his client was a man and not a woman. Now there you have it, you guys. Please do engage with me in the comment section below. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and also hit the bell for notifications. I will see you on my next upload. Thank you so much. Bye.